Hi everyone, blessed be. I picked up for myself another little witchcraft kit and thought I would show you. I'm not affiliated or sponsored or anything. I have literally just bought this with my own money to see if it's any good. And I like the look of a couple of items in there, so I thought I'd give it a go. This one cost me, I think this one was 23 or £25 and paid for with my own money. So let's show you what's inside. So there's a good luck card. Got about 4 of those now. There's a leaflet with information on the items in the box. And I'll just quickly show you that. If my camera will focus. Guess not. So yeah, it just gives you a little bit of information about the items in the box and their uses. Just gives you a little overview. This was like a little candle kit, one that I picked up. So there you go, just a bit of information about the items inside. Then there's this little leaflet, obviously made by the company, and it's just advertising other things that they make. It's just got other products that they sell in there. Then there's a thank you letter, which it's the same in every one. Then there's these cards. I'm not sure what you'd use them for. I can't remember what they're called. But I believe the what you do is you write your intention on them. But I don't know. I don't use these. This is just packaging to me. All that gets recycled in the recycling. Then you get the little envelope as well. There's a little crystal sort of station crystal plate thing with it's a Metatron cube on, I believe it's called. Again, it's not something I normally use, but I'll reuse these little plates to make my own thing at some point. Then there's this little soft purple pouch. There's a little spoon which is very ocean themed, so if you like the element of water and work with those energies, you can use this in your workings. It's just a nice little sort of spoon to scoop your herbs out with and put them into your offering bowls or pouches or whatever. The purple pouch has got some of the other items in. It was a bit tricky to open one-handed because I was just holding my phone, but never mind. But you'll see in a bit what's inside. I just had to figure out that it was actually tied. It didn't look tied when I first got it out. And inside is a little bit of bubble wrap. You could reuse this pouch for workings if you didn't mind the big logo on it. In here are the crystals. So we have tiger's eye. Not too bad quality piece. Sodalite. Quite a nice piece again. Then a piece of aventurine, and then this one's supposed to be topaz, but this just looks like a polished rock. Correct me if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments what it is exactly, because it's not what was advertised. A quartz crystal, a piece of red jasper, and a piece of amethyst. And I like this one because it almost looks like a little heart. So that's a nice piece of chevron amethyst there. So I'm quite pleased with the crystals in this set, unlike one of the other ones I opened where they all looked a bit fake, but these look nice. So let me just put these over here, just sort of sort these out a little bit so you can get a good view of what's actually in the kit. So that's what's in there so far. Then we've got some packets of herbs. So there's some lavender to add to my million tons of lavender because I love lavender. Some rose. Some rosemary. Oh, chamomile first, sorry. Very powdery chamomile. But I've got loads of chamomile. I probably won't use this packet. Some rosemary. Then this came with a little... this was used as an offering bowl in another kit I opened, but this one's actually the incense burner because it comes with a little lid. Feels quite light. I think it's like a very thin brass or like brass plated or something, but it's a nice little incense burner. I will use that. That'll look quite pretty on my altar space. I'd just make sure to put it on a heat-proof surface before you use it. Don't just use this directly on your table. You'll burn your table because the metal's thin. It'll get hot quick. And then this kit comes with a soy candle. And the scent is supposed to be sage and sea salt, I think it said. It's a very nice soy wax candle, and the idea with this kit is you modify the candle by adding some of the herbs and crystals to it, and you can put the candle on the little crystal grid and then put the crystals around it and use that in your workings. I'm going to modify this candle and put some herbs and things with it, some little mini crystals, and then use that in my practice. I haven't decided what the purpose is going to be yet, so I've left it as plain, but I'll probably add some rose or some rosemary to it, or a bit of both. But yeah, nice little candle, nice jar. You know, decently made. The wick is ever so slightly off center, so I'm going to have to keep an eye on it when I burn it. What you need to do is be careful when you've got candles. If the wick is ever so slightly off center, the glass on one side of the container can heat up quicker than the other and you can get cracking. But I'll keep an eye on it. It's like literally millimeters out, so I think it'll be fine. But I'll be able to judge that better from the first burn. If there's a problem, I'll just heat the candle in a bain-marie and then I'll put my own wick in it and reset it. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be. Bye for now.